Hey guys, Julie here with Embroidery Boutique. I'm super excited because as you can see back here, my Melco is all set up and this is the first time I'm going to use it, so I'm really stoked. So I just did a quick design that I'm going to be doing a sample for my website, so I'm going to go ahead and stitch it out, and just so that you all can see, I'm just doing a quick little 5th birthday with a little Minnie Mouse and the name in a Walt Disney font. So that's going to be one of the samples I'm putting up on my Etsy shop and my website, so you can go ahead and have a look. The link will be down below. And I'm just going to go ahead and press the green button.